Hello and welcome to this new video. Today I'm continuing to solve the case from the Brazilian Excel Championship, and this case is called the strategic choices from the quarterfinals of the Brazilian Championship. Again, a case inspired by previous one from the World Championship in this case. So you can see here cases from Road to Las Vegas, from MBWC main draw, probably 2023 and years before. So I kind of know this case already. It will be probably a quick solve, but let's see how it goes. We start with sommelier, in which you have a worksheet to be consulted. Yeah, this is probably coming from a previous attempt. You can see the news here. I've added the keystrokes I'm using during the solve. Hope this helps in navigating this video. So maybe let's start the timer again, and here we go. Let's also remove as usual those. Okay, list of wines and their 5 attributes. Although each wine has different value for each attribute, we will be interested in the average of these attributes. Our goal is to find which wine has the average attribute closest to the requested average. There is only one valid answer for each average. Okay, so yeah, that's why I had the average ready. Okay, in this case, in this case, because if I X look up this, I will have to choose whether by next larger or next smaller. What if I do next lookup of this into those, returning those, next smaller, and next larger, and the absolute value of this minus this. Take the minimum of these two, and X lookup this into those two, returning those two, and I wanna X lookup this into. I know if I'm overcomplicated this approach, but seems like a quick one. Oh, that's brutal. This is 21.8. This is 78.4. This is 21.8. No, I don't know. Let's hope so. Spreadsheet N2, Fantasy Excel. In this spreadsheet, we have a table with the name and number of participants, as well as the score over 16 weeks. The score of the week is formed by the sum of its 3 parts. If the score was 5, 6, 3, 9, 8, it means we must add them. First, we must add the total score for participant 1 between the weeks presented, then that of participant 2. What is the absolute difference between these two totals? Okay, merge this. Come on. So example 2. So I'm gonna look up. So participant 1 is this. So I'm gonna look up this into the participants, returning this. Participant 2 is going to be this. Same. Those are the wicks. Okay. And I want to, we're talking about a sequence of 16. This is some of extra numbers of this. This is a bit annoying in terms of the keystrokes. So I want to text split this over this and minus minus. Week from week 2. If and this is greater than or equal to this, and this is less than or equal to this, otherwise 0. Okay, and I'm going to some product this and this block. Now this is unusable. What's the ask? Absolute difference. So I want the absolute value of this minus this. Oh, this is not matching. That's interesting. 1, 3 to 8. That's interesting. One 8 3 2. So the number of participants. Score of the week is formed by the sum of its 3 parts. Week 1 to week 16. We must add 5. Add 12 and 13. So without this. Okay. Okay. me a bit. Elections are coming. Each of them will appear multiple times in each of the 100 rounds. Is represented by its formatting. Party wins elections is the one that had the highest number of consecutive victories within the 100 rounds. Must present the winning party response in the Cotard format. In this case, 1 in 10 consecutive weeks. But it has the highest number of consecutive victories within the 100 rounds. Okay. Okay. So first of all, I will need to convert those. So macros. This is taking a bit of time. Probably too much. That's not good at all. Okay, I had to do this. Sorry, I will probably have to do this the good old way because this has crashed completely. So I'm gonna do the old good find replace format. So this is gonna be A. Okay. Then I'm going to say this is gonna be AV. Okay, then this is gonna be R. Okay, then this is gonna be LA. And finally, this is gonna be P. Okay. This stage I'm gonna use a solver worksheet. And this is going to be example 3. Okay, so votes, transpose those, this ID sequence of rows of this. Okay, we have 100 votes. Then I want to do if this equals this, is this plus 1, otherwise is 1. Consecutive. Then I want to find the max, which is 10. Then I want to find this into this, and then I want to X match this into this. Okay, then I want to do this and this and this. Okay, so this should be my answer. Boom. Level 4. Spreadsheet social network should be consulted. Support spreadsheet shows the fictitious relationship between our participants on social media. Our goal will be to find the size of the second layer of their network of influence. The first tier is mentioned participants, direct best friends and haters. Second tier is the best friends and haters of each person in the first tier. We're only interested in the unique names of the second tier. Only names other than a participant and those in the first layer should be counted. If any of the same name appears multiple times in the second layer, should be considered only once. Participant Jardiel Euflazio Felizmino da Silva. He has Daniel Gonçalves Berrero as best friend and Bruno Romero. Griber Coiti as haters. As the only names represent the second layer, and regarding the name of the participant and those of the first layer, we have 13 participants in the second layer. Okay. Okay. So. Jardiel is this one. Okay, he has 3. Okay, so this is case 4. So person is this. So I want an index of this thing. Do an index, so X match 1 into this. I want the whole column. So sequence of columns of this. Okay. We transpose this thing. So sequence of rows of this. List and positions. So filtered. I wanna filter this based on this, not 0. Okay, and so people, so friends, haters, index of those, and I want those. Okay. Unique names of the second tiers. So that's the list. So let's list with this. Position is sequence of rows of list. Then filter is filter of position where list is not 0. And then names is index of this thing here over pause, and I want the names. Oh Christ, Bruno Romero, Mendonca, is not something is going wrong. J7 filter position. This is not working for some reason, and I'm already out of time. Yeah, but I needed to restart the whole thing, so okay. Why this is not working? C2AL B2B37 position. Okay. So what if I do criteria? It's a scan of list 0 list lambda av f or v equals this or v equals this, then one otherwise 0. And then I wanna do criteria equals 1. I need to stop the timer. So names. Oh, come on. Yeah, I must be stupid. Yeah. I was using the wrong one. Okay. This stage I wanna do a two-call of this. Ignore blanks. So 21. What I wanna do a unique. So 16. And I wanna do filter list not. $14 and filter list not this 13. Okay, so rows of this ugly thing here. And fingers crossed. And oh, I have a lot of things to do. Lana Banana should be consulted. Line is little monkey. For each question, will start journey, start position, and will move according to the direction provided. Our goal is to find which cell will collect her nth banana. If there is a banana in starting position, it must be accounted for. Okay, let's go very quickly. Okay, so example 5. So start, it will be this. End will be this. And path, it will be transpose splitter this. Next there will be a pathfinder this 0. Okay, content to be simple indirect of Lana and this. Would probably do something like this. Okay. AF14. If this equals the banana, I do 1, otherwise 0 plus this. Con banana. And I'm going to X look up the ant banana into this, returning the cell. So AF14, let's check. Let's scale it to table, and here we go. This level will have 6 dice with values. Oh god, dicey battle. From 1 to 6 according to their images. Our goal is to find the highest possible score among the dice values presented. Die with odd values must have its value tripled. Die with even values must have values doubled. Which question must take only one even die and one odd die. If there are no even dice, use 2 odd. There are no odd, use 2 even. Okay. So example 6. So dice. Transpose splitter this. Get dice value. Values. So even. Minus is even this. So evens filter this lock where this lock equal 1. Odds equals 0. Values this times 2. Values this times 3. This is level 6. So 15 and 8 equals 23. So rows of this. So f this equals 0. 0, otherwise the maximum of this. No. If this equals 0 is sum of take of sort this descending 2, otherwise is max of this. Okay, otherwise okay, let's see. So 91. this. Is there this? So if this 0, okay, so 24, which is this, 92, 15, 93, A15, 94. Okay, it's probably correct. Let's go for it. Each word presented was encrypted and is the result of a cyclical and sequential exchange of letters. The words has their letters shifted X unit for words, with the first shift being equal to the number of letters of the word. Addition of set of one letter from the previous offset. Cases where this places beyond letter Z must be resumed from that letter A again. So we move 2 units forward. In the first letter, returning 3 letters backwards. We have the letter M. Letter D. Okay. Create a copy. Example 7. So word will be this. Let's transpose splitter this. Shift it's gonna be a scan of len of this, this, and lambda iv a plus 1. Okay. So this will be go around minus this. Minus 1. Okay. If this equals space this, otherwise that thing. And then I will probably do any error, nothing. And so I'm going to concat this. Looks okay. Yeah, it's probably done. Hopefully something went wrong with think. Wow. That's annoying. What? 24? This was level 4. 51. I'm stupid. This equals nothing, otherwise that thing. Oh, come on. Okay. 24, 15, 24, or off by 1. That's interesting. It's adding for some reason this empty space. Yeah, so I'll probably do just my -1. Okay. Yeah. I don't like this kind of error, to be honest. So for sure need to fix this overlook. But yeah, very nice case. I enjoyed a lot the variation around the original cases. So very well done. Looking forward to the next case. See you in the next video. Bye.